How to add levels in Roblox Studio. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So what I'm going to do is first of all, go to Google and I'm going to add or get this level system model, which is made by this person. As you can see, he actually makes really good scripts, which you can find here as well. And I'm going to show you guys how to completely install this and use this. So I'm going to leave a link in the description as well as a pinned comment down below. So you can go to this link and then get the model right over here. Now you need to click on Get Model and then go to your Roblox Studio. I'm going to simply just do this on a base template. Now, for those that are new to Roblox Studio, we need to have the toolbox here on the left. So by clicking on View and then enable the toolbox right over here, we can then go to our inventory and then you want to go to My Models where you can see the level system. Now you can actually click on this and it says level system includes 3 scripts. So we need to click on OK so we understand this. I'm personally going to move this around real quick just so I can differentiate it with the spawn. So now that we have moved it over here, we can see that something has added over here on the right. So a level system by How to Roblox. And if you open this up, we can see a lot of different folders pretty much. And these are all names. So it says put in replicated storage and ungroup. So here we can see that. So here we can see the replicated storage. We need to drag and drop this in here. Then we need to press Control and U on our keyboard, or what you can do if you do not like that is simply right click. And then here we can also see ungroup. So do that for every single one. So server script service, just like that, Control U. And then here we can see server storage. So put that in here, Control U. Here we can see starter GUI and ungroup. So over here, Control U, and then put it in workspace. So that is right over here. And then I'm going to simply click on ungroup. So now we can actually get rid of this one over here, I believe. So if I click on delete, yes, that's pretty much it. So this is the XP giver. That is this orange thing over here. The starter GUI is this here at the top, which shows the level to the person. And then we also have a bunch of scripts over here. So the very first thing is, right now you are kind of just done. You can leave it like this if you would like to. But here we have the module scripts. And if you go to calculate stats and then double click on this, this will open up the script, which determines how much XP a person will get when they walk over the XP giver. So now you are pretty much done, but there's one more thing which is actually really helpful, is if you have other GUIs in your game, they might overlap or intervene with this GUI over here. Now we can actually change a setting which will stop that. So if you go over here to the starter GUI, open it up, then go to level bar GUI, open it up once again, into the bar background. You can now see that it's currently selected over here. Open it up again, and then here you can see the bar container. Once again, open it up, click on the clipping. Now, what we need to do here is simply scroll a little bit down until you see clips descendants. And what you can do is disable this. So I'm actually not sure if you disable or enable this, if it will do the good thing, but you can test it out easily yourself. So in order for this to actually work, we need to go to File. Then here we need to go to Publish to Roblox. And here you can give it a name and all of that. And then click on Create. Now you can see that we have successfully published this. I'm going to close this. What we want to do is go to Game Settings, then to Security. And here we need to enable the studio access to API services. We need to enable that. Then click on Save. And now we can test it out. So I'm going to click on play. And you can see that we're currently level 0. If I walk over it, you can see I will keep getting XP. And I'm level up as well. There's actually also sounds. I have disabled my sounds in the recording, which I can enable real quick. And then if you level up, yes, you will also get a sound, which is pretty nice. So yeah, that is how to add levels in Roblox Studio.